divas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So we're gonna get right into this video. So the first product I'm gonna be using is the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm pretty much just using this to fill in my brows. Actually been my go-to brow pencil as of lately. I actually purchased two recently because your girl uses it all the time. Okay, so next we're gonna go into eyes. I'm using the colouredraine Vivid Bright Pigment Palette. This is honestly one of my all-time favorite color palettes, along with the crayon case, the matte book palette, but today I'm using this one. It's honestly one of my all-time favorite palettes to use anytime I am going to be creating any vibrant, colorful look. So I'm gonna be creating a soft cut crease sunset look with this palette. And right now I'm starting off with that dark brown shade, and I'm applying that into the crease shade, and then I'm gonna go in, I think later on I did mix in that a little bit of that brown shade so that it made the crease a little bit darker. Then I went in with the orange and then the yellow. So I pretty much went back and forth just to make sure that the colors blended out amazingly. These are pressed pigments, so you have to make sure that you are blending everything how it needs to be blended. Okay, so the next product we're gonna go in with is the Love is Love palette by Midas Cosmetics. If you guys want to try out their products, I highly recommend their palettes, their lashes, their glitter, their lip glosses, everything that they have is popping, you guys. Feel free to use my code. It is rosevmua, and you do save 20% off. So I went ahead and I used that iridescent shade for the lid. So pretty much you see that I am applying a little bit more base to my eyelids just to do like a soft cut. I don't want to do anything too harsh, and then I went ahead and I applied that to the lid. Okay, now we are gonna go in with the face. So I'm using Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Cream Contour shades in Honey Haze and Macchiato, and I'm going to cream contour the face first. You guys are gonna see I'm gonna have all these lines and everything everywhere. And then I'm gonna go in with Juviasplace concealer. I forgot the name of their concealer. But I had that there in front of me, so I grabbed that one and I used the shade 19. But obviously first we're gonna prime the skin, and I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Hydrating Primer. So yeah, put that, and then I am going to start to create contour. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with foundation, because as you guys can see, highlight and contour is looking a little rough. So for the foundation, I went ahead and used the Pat McGrath, I think it's called the Skin Fetish Sublime Foundation. So I used that foundation in the shade light medium 10, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have everything listed down below for you guys, but yeah, I went ahead and I used that, and I honestly love that foundation. It's so skin light and so freaking lightweight on the face. It's not heavy at all, and it just gives the most luminous look to your face. So yeah, I went ahead and I used that and applied it with a sponge. Okay, so next we're going to set, and I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Flower Powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm pretty much going to use that to set all over my face. I honestly love this powder because it's super lightweight. It doesn't make me look cakey at all. I hate a heavy setting powder because I have dry combination skin. So with the dry patches that I do have on my skin, sometimes with a heavy foundation, it just makes my skin look old and crinkly and super dry, and this powder does not do that at all. So if you haven't tried Beauty Bakery, make sure you guys go ahead and check out their shop. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Stalker Bronzer in the shade Island Ting, and I'm going to bronze up the skin, honey. We are going to bronze up the skin. Honestly, love this bronzer. It's a little too warm for me, but it doesn't bother me at all. And as y'all see, I went ham, but everything does turn out better at the end, I promise. Alright, now we're going to go with bronzer, and I'm using the Juviasplace Saharan Volume 2 palette, and I'm using those two shades that I showed you guys for blush. You guys, this blush palette is so pigmented, so don't go ham like I did, but honestly, I actually like it, and I've been really into blush lately. But yeah, it's super pigmented, so go extremely light. I would say using a more fluffier brush compared to what I use, but yeah, that's just me. So now we're gonna highlight, and I'm using the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey highlight palette, and this is honestly one of my favorite highlighting palettes. Y'all, watch, just watch. I'm not even gonna say anything, but just watch how this palette is about to have me popping. Okay, just watch that. I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, now before we transform fully, we have to end this video with lips. So the lipstick that I am using, I believe it's Midas Cosmetics, if I'm not mistaken. I am gonna show it, and it is, yes, it's Midas Cosmetics. So I use their Goddess Gloss. I don't remember which number it is, but I will have it listed down below for you guys. But yeah, I use that. Don't you guys see that? Like, it's gorgeous, honey, gorgeous. And then for lashes, I believe the lashes that I use are from colouredraine as well. I'll have them listed down below. All the products that I'm using will be listed down below for you guys. But yeah, so I am gonna have the lashes off camera because y'all know I be struggling with the lashes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure you are subscribed to my channel. It's completely free, and make sure you guys are following me on all of my other social media platforms. And remember to support your fellow Black MUAs, businesses, and let's keep this movement going forever. Love you guys bunches.